Right, this is positively the last attempt at motovlogging. So keep the visor open until I get onto the highway, see how we go. Bit windy, it looks like it might rain actually. Let's see. Looking a bit dowly, as they say up north. Okay, that was sort of 60, probably touching 70, but I've still got the visor open until I get round the U-turn, and then we'll get it down. Okay, visor down. See how we do. You must clean this damn visor, I tell you. So there's definitely wind noise. I'm doing about 80. See how the Meow Thai is doing. That's Thai for dead cat. We're doing about 85 now, it's about to bang it up to 90 and more, 93. Damon Hill coming behind me in his 4x4, his Raptor. That magic 93 again, 94. 100, naughty, 101, 100. People behind me gaining, it's ridiculous. Okay, I'm just going to shut the chin vent just to see whether that has any effect. So that is now shut. It's a bit wary around here with all the dust. I went up my arse really. I was dreading these roadworks, but it's actually quicker without the lights. First few days it was horrendous. Okay lights, let's have a bit of green, let's do this. Not going to do, are you? You're going to be obstinate. Right, visor up because my head's hot. No, it's an apparition, the red light there, it doesn't exist really. And there's a copper over there doing absolutely nothing. Guy with no helmet, cop does nothing. I saw! Buy a car or a bike. Absolutely, mate. I'll have 3. And we're off on the way, and this is the Thai Grand Prix, and the scooter takes the lead, and the scooter's braking, and he's doing a quick left, and now I'm overtaken here by a click, and about ripping the arse out of his click, but he doesn't care, and here we go, and of course he's got to the lights quicker than me, but it doesn't really matter because they're on red anyway. Bumpy, bumpy. Now stand up, boy, stand up for your rights. Stand up for your bum. And here we go, stand up again, way better. Wasn't that your back then? At the next junction, turn right. It's condo land down here. They don't actually look that bad, to be honest. I think they're 11,000-12,000 ish for a little one, studio sort of thing. You know, I got Big C here to do your shopping and a few 7-Elevens. Big C's where I'm going. Carrots on special offer. God, here we go. What is the matter with these women? Jesus, they are unreal.
Right, I refuse to park my bike in the bike park because everybody rams their bloody scooters in there, and I've got chips in here from parking in crowded parking areas, so I leave mine here. Sod it. Okay, let's see what this is like on the way back. I love how these people treat the speed bumps like they're landmines. I go over them. It's Food Panda. It's that over there. Built to look like a motorbike, but it looks very tiny. That PCX looks bigger than the bike. Oh God, only in Thailand. Damn, the Leo's on the bottom, I can't nick it. Oh, it's on the front. My God. Going to be going mad behind that. Mr. Tickles Tipple. Rabble. These ladies sat on plant pots or something. Definitely the land of innovation, this, when it comes to travel. Hey, thank you. That coach there is about 3 foot behind the car in front. It's ridiculous. There's no way in God's earth you're ever going to stop, mate, if he puts his brakes on. It's just absolutely stupid. Weaving about like nobody's business. It's where you're supposed to ride, actually, but not that keen myself. Oh, this is how I like it. Miles of open road in front of me, miles of open road behind me. No one can touch me. Only thing that can happen now is I get a tyre blowout. Good afternoon, sir. Beach pedaling, I tell you. Oh, how I wish I'd bought a bike when I was younger. Oops, the filth. Hey, Mr. Plot, how are you? Okay, so slow down, getting into the village. Just be careful here because I nearly got wiped out once on this corner. Wait, bloody dog in the road. Okay, visor back up. Cause my head's hot. Basic.